Good afternoon, traders. This is Trader Tim from eMoneyMind. We're doing a market analysis video. Today's Monday, the 22nd of May, 2017. Today I wanted to keep this short and sweet, and we're going to jump right into talking about how volume relates to price and how we can use volume to give us an indication of what's to come. So I'm going to flip over to my profit charts. And if we start with the S&P, we can see the breakdown last Wednesday, and that was pretty strong volume, certainly stronger than we've seen in quite a while. Now, the ensuing rally has been on subsequently lower volume. It's good to see the bulls stepping in at lows and pushing the market higher for 3 days. However, with the declining volume, that sort of puts up a red flag. And if we go to the other markets, we can see the Dow, very strong declining volume. Again, the gap down, the rally, breaking above the gap, basically filling the gap and then stopping there. The NASDAQ, same thing, the gap down, and then 3 days of a rally, and only really getting up to the gap fill. And then finally the Russell, the weakest of the four, in a clear downtrend, just about to break its swing low, and the Russell has barely broken the top of the gap down bar, has not filled the gap. And so as we look at the week ahead, typically when the market gaps down and then gets a small bounce, we'll see maybe 50% of the move taken back. And this may be a little bit easier to see here on the ES. If we were to draw from highs to lows, well, we've broken the 61.8 of the short. The declining volume is very concerning for the bulls. It gives a lot of weight to the downside for the bears. If we pull from lows to highs, we can see that the market did hold its 61.8 long, but as we move forward, unless we can break the 24.0425s on the ES, essentially if we can break highs and accelerate through highs, then a rollover and more serious decline is highly likely. Now there's a good amount of news coming out this week. We've got the FOMC minutes, and there's also a lot of stuff that's coming out of the White House here in the U.S. And so keep your guard up. I expect to see quite a bit of good trading setups. Whenever we have these big body candles, we typically have a lot of good trades within the intraday setting. So look for some really good trading in the next few weeks. We'll be doing live trading tomorrow morning, Tuesday. You can check that out, eMoneyMind.com/VIP. I hope you have a great week, and we'll talk to you soon.